Hi everyone. If your Delclynee's lower plate won't lock when you slide it in, don't stress. It's usually just a worn-out spring clip in the rail. Today, I'll show you how to swap it in 2 minutes flat. Begin by removing the cushion pad. Start on this side. Remove the 3 Phillips head screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Then carefully disengage the slide rail by pulling downward. This is the spring clip. Align its mounting holes with the rail grooves, ensuring the concave surface faces upward. Insert the clip into the lower wheel track. Verify hole alignment again, and then tighten the screws. Now for the other side, same process. Unscrew these 3 bolts. Slide out the rail. Match the clip's holes to the rail slots. Pop it into the wheel track. And check your holes line up clean, and then tighten the screws. The slide rail spring clip replacement is now complete.